Hello guys, and welcome back. Today, I'll explain to you the Pokemon TCG Pocket God Pack. In Pokemon TCG Pocket, a God Pack is an exceptionally rare type of booster pack where every card is a highly rarity card, usually featuring only holographic, ultra-rare, or even higher tier cards, unlike typical packs, which contains a mix of common and uncommon cards with possibly a single rare of holo. God Packs offer an entire selection of valuable cards, making them highly sought after collectors and players. Cards within a God Pack can vary, but the typical inclusion often feature top-tier items like 3 silver diamonds, which is rare, 4 silver diamonds, double rare, gold star, illustration rare, 2 gold stars, which is special illustration rare, and 3 gold stars, immersive cards, and then gold crown, which is crown rare. This mix means that each God Pack is unique, sometimes containing a thematic set of rare cards. And that's it guys, these charges could help the community grow even further, adding collaborative elements to the excitement of rare cards hunting if you can share them or exchange them with your community of Pokemon TCG Pack. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.